this? What are you doing? Go away. You too, Miss. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we are going to be unboxing this giant beast of a box right here. This is the FabFitFun box for the winter season. That is right, you guys. I did get this baby in the mail like 2 days ago and I'm so freaking excited. I really enjoy getting the FabFitFun boxes. This is not sponsored or anything like that. I've just been getting these for a little while now and I genuinely really do like them. So we are gonna go ahead and upload. No, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this big guy right here. So if you want to see what is in the box for the winter FabFitFun, then just keep on watching. So just a little bit about FabFitFun before we get into it. It is a seasonal subscription. So you get it 4 times a year: winter, spring, summer, fall. So 4 times a year. It is $50 a month. It has makeup, homeware, lifestyle, sometimes clothes or handbags. It's a really cool box. Whew. So it's open, and then on the very top here, I see each little month we get each month we get just a little kind of pamphlet, and I think this does go over everything that you get in the box. Jumping into the actual box here, I gotta undo the paper really quick without deafening you. Oh my god. Okay, 2 things that I just saw. Oh my gosh, I'm so hyped. Okay, let's just get into it here. The first thing that I actually see is by the brand Kukio. I don't know how to say this brand, but it is Epsom Salt Hand Plus Body Wash. Here is what this looks like. And this is really cool. This is the name I kept trying to pronounce. I do not know how to say that name, but I do love this. As you guys know, I did move into a new apartment, so this is actually perfect. I can set this out whenever I run out of my other hand soap. Does it smell like anything? I don't know. It kind of smells like something, but I don't know what it smells like. Maybe salt, because it's like Epsom salt, but I don't know. This is really cool. I do like this a lot. I will definitely get a lot of use out of this whenever I run out of my other soap. And then next up, I see this cute little pink bottle. This is by Drybar. Oh my gosh, Drybar is a great brand. Why do they put this stuff in this plastic that is impossible to get off? Okay, so I got the plastic off, and that was a struggle. I don't know why they made it so hard. Anyways, this is by Drybar. This is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. That's really cool. I haven't used a detangler in literally since I was probably 7. But this does seem really cool. Oh, it protects too. That's actually nice because I do straighten and curl my hair. So if it can protect against like heat damage, that would actually be really helpful as well. So it says protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 Celsius. That is really great. I'll definitely be using this when I run out of my Chi heat protectant. So here is one of the things that I'm so excited about. I have almost bought this thing like 7 times and I just never have, and I don't know why. This is one of the Vera Mona color switches. I hear Raw Beauty Christie talk about these all the time, and I think she even uses them in her videos. So basically what a color switch is, it is a little sponge that you put your makeup brushes into after you use it. So let's say you do an eyeshadow. I can't talk today. Let's say you pick up one color on an eyeshadow brush. You use that shadow and then you're done with it. Instead of having to like wipe it off on a towel or clean your brush, you can just swirl it into this sponge and then it takes the product off. So you can use the exact same brush with a different shadow. This is so cool. It's a little sponge like that. Dry cleaner, so it's not wet. It's a dry cleaner, and then it's reusable. I am so obsessed with this. Oh, I didn't even see this down here. It was hiding. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is a little rose gold necklace. It's by the brand Adore. And here is what it looks like. It is this really cute rose gold necklace, and apparently it says crystals from Swarovski. Wow, I didn't know that. Okay, so here is the front of it, and you see that little guy right there? The little bitty speck right there? That's the crystal. But still, this necklace is still really pretty in my opinion, and then the back of it just looks like this. And I do love the chain. It has like a little A at the end. Really cute. That's super cute. I do I like this. I like it a lot. Next up, we got this little planner, and this is really cute. I have never been someone to use a planner before, but look how adorable. It's got little flowers, and it says 2020. Maybe this is my year where I will start using a planner. Let's see what it looks like inside. Oh, it's lined. Okay, so these are notes right here, and then you have little tabs from January to December. Oh, so it's all individually like laid out. That's really nice. This is really cute. I love the idea of this. Again, I've never been someone to ever really use a planner, but I feel like if I don't get any use out of this, my mom will use this because she uses planners literally every single day. I think she'll like this one because it got little flowers on it and she's super into that. So I may pass this along to her, but this is still really, really cute. And then this right here, oh my God, this is so heavy. This is super heavy. Is this like is it a throw blanket or maybe like some kind of shawl or scarf or something? This is by the brand Unhide. For love, not fur. Oh, so it must be like vegan fur. That is really nice. I love that. So let's see, what is it? Oh, that is so soft. It feels like a bunny. Have you ever like felt a bunny like in the pet store or something? Or if you have a bunny, then you know it feels like a bunny. I just want to see what it is. Oh my gosh. That was like the biggest struggle ever. I still don't know what it is. It's a blanket! Oh my God, it's like this gorgeous light gray like throw blanket. I love this. Oh my gosh, I'm actually so happy it's a blanket. I thought maybe it could be like a huge scarf or like a robe or something. A robe would have been cool too. But I'm so happy it's a blanket. I can absolutely put this like on the couch in the living room. Oh my God. I'm so excited. And then, so this is the second thing that I was so excited about, okay? This is the original makeup eraser. Look! Oh my gosh! So if you don't know, there's like the makeup eraser and then there's one called Face Halo. I've wanted to buy Face Halo for such a long time and for some reason, again, I just haven't done it. And this one seems to be another thing like that. And then apparently you're just supposed to like add water to this and you can take off your makeup without having to use a makeup wipe or anything like that. I don't know if you're supposed to put like your cleanser on this as well. Let me see if it says anything. I probably should have read the instructions before throwing it away. It says, "Thank you for joining our movement. Your purchase is helping eliminate the third most wasteful product in the world, wipes." I didn't actually know that wipes, like makeup wipes, were so bad. Okay, so basically you have to wash this first and then you soak in warm water. The warmer, the better. And then you go in like circular motions on one side, and then the side with the tag is supposed to exfoliate. This is really cool. I'm so excited about this. I cannot wait to try this out. I don't have a washer and dryer here just yet, so I'll have to wash it when I go back to my parents' house or something. But I'm so hyped about this. I cannot wait to use that and try it out because I definitely want to be able to see if it can take all the makeup off without having to use any like wipes or anything like that. I don't usually use wipes. I kind of just take my makeup off in the shower with a washcloth and some cleanser. If I don't have to use cleanser, then that's really cool. I don't know if you're supposed to use this and then wash your face again with cleanser. I have no idea. So let me know if you know that. And then the last thing we have in here are some slippers. These are so pretty. These are from the brand PJ Salvage. These are really, really nice. I'm not someone that usually wears slippers all that much, but if these work well and if I end up liking these, then I might actually end up wearing slippers. Huh. So they feel nice on, but like, I don't know. I don't know about these. I'm not much of a slippers person, but I'll try them out and see what I think. But yeah, you guys, that is everything that is in the box here. I've got to say, all in all, I have really enjoyed this box. Let's go over the little pamphlet right here, and then I'll pull up my calculator as well and then see how much all of this stuff has retailed for. The first thing that I see is the big throw blanket that is $65. These slippers are $45. the planner that I got, $27.95, plus the pretty little rose gold necklace, that is $39, plus the original, the makeup remover, the makeup eraser, that's 20 bucks. And then the color switch is $16.99. The Prep Rally, the dry bar spray right here, that is $23. And then the hand soap right here is $39.95. Wow, that is some expensive hand soap. Alright, and that is pretty much everything that is in the box. My total retail value did come up to $276.89. Definitely pretty good in my opinion, since the box is $50. You do get a lot of return back on this. I will say, I'm very impressed with the stuff that I got. I really enjoyed the things that I did receive in this box, so definitely super excited about it. But what did you guys get in the box? Did you get anything different than what I got? Did you get like a different variation? Please let me know, because I would love to know that. There was apparently loads of stuff that you could have gotten in this. But yeah, you guys, this is going to be the end of the video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!